As you can see, it's sunny and 75 here in Missouri. Obviously it's not. It's freaking snowing, sleeting, icing, everything. So weather people said to stay off the road if you can. Yeah, we really can't because we got to make a YouTube video. So we're gonna take this beast out. Roll the B-roll.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, now I push play.
All right, enough horsing around. Let's see what else we can get ourselves into. Think we can make it up this hill? Oh yeah, we're sliding. All right, I'm about to die. Oh, dang. Oh, shit.
They do it now. I'm feeling taken off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause you, the pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all
Oh yeah, we're back.
cause I'm not moving. I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent. Damn, it hurts.